Hi everyone, I'm Renee from Wanna Scrap, and hi, welcome to my channel. I'm so happy to have you here, and thank you so much to all my subscribers who have stuck around all this time. I haven't put out any content, well, almost 10 months, maybe a year, getting close to it anyways, and so yeah, I really appreciate everybody sticking around and supporting me like that. That's so awesome. Great community here. So I just want to say a little bit about my crafting style. I'm kind of all over the place because I do love steampunk, I love shabby chic, and I'm also getting into decor pieces and, you know, aside from the mini albums and embellishments, but I love doing it all. I can't settle on one thing. Besides, when you have one project drying, you want to be able to do something else. I can't just stop crafting and wait till the next day till something's dry. So anyways, that's where I'm at. And to start off this season, I know it's late in the year, but for August going into September, I'm getting into fall decor. I've touched a little bit on it a couple times, and but this year I'm really getting into it. I'm loving the really rich fall colors, and I really want to bring that into my home. And if that's not your thing for autumn, that's fine too. I hope to inspire you with changing it out with more muted colors or pastel colors. You know how it goes. Anyways, so I'm excited to bring all the projects that I got coming. I am building a tier tray, which I will be giving out videos of different things I'm putting on the tier tray, and it's all made from Dollar Tree, Dollarama, because I do live in Canada. It's all done with most of them products. The only things that come from Michael's are like the tools and that I can't buy at the dollar store, and some of the paper pads obviously. But yeah, I'm very excited about these fall projects, and yeah, let's get started. Thanks for joining me, and push the like button if you do like the content, and please feel welcome to subscribe. I'd love to have you here. Take care everybody. Bye for now. So for my first DIY, I have this rich colored, beautiful autumn themed garland, and I absolutely love how it turned out. I think it looks really high end, and I don't think you would ever know that it all came from dollar store products. These burlap leaves came from the Dollar Tree. There was 5 in each pack, and I used them all. I got that jute rope from the Dollarama, and I got a couple of bunches of leaves from the dollar store. And you will need a glue gun for this project. So right now I'm just alternating the colors because that's the way I wanted them to be on the garland. And now I'm just cutting apart all the leaves that I may want to use on the garland, and I just wanted to see how many colors I've had of each and how I wanted them to look. And how I did this was I laid them all out on the floor as if they were on a garland, and I just kind of alternated colors to get the best look that I wanted. And these are all the colors I chose. And next is starting to get them all glued on. This project came together so fast. It was such a thrill to get it together and hang it up when I was done. And I just, as I said, I just love the results. I think it's just so beautiful. And you just want to go ahead and get them all when you have them in the order that you would want. And you just want to get them all glued down. Next I used this Acorn Decoration that I bought from the Dollar Tree. There was 12 in the pack, but I only needed, no, I needed 2 packages, sorry, because I did put 2 on every leaf, and there was 10 leaves, so I needed 20 of them. So I did use 2 packages of the acorns. You just want to get them hot glued on and carry on and get them all finished. Now when I did lay them all out on the floor, I noticed that they needed some kind of definition, some more depth to them. So I used this walnut stain from the dollar store. I think it was a dollar store with more that I bought this from. And it really helped add a lot of depth to it and interest. So I was really happy that I had that stain because I just purchased it recently. So it was a good buy for $1.50. Looking great already. Next, you're going to want to make a knot on the end of your jute rope so you have somewhere to hang it. And I left about 6 to 8 inches between each leaf. I just kind of eyeballed it and got them to hang the way I wanted to. And the beauty of this is too, you can unwind the wire where you want and you can twist it and shape it to the way you want it. And you can hot glue these down. I didn't do it because I felt like it was wound up good enough, and it's not going anywhere on my wall. So, and I left the ends long, and you'll see why in a few moments. You just want to go ahead, get them all spaced out, and get them all on that jute rope. And here's where I grabbed a pen and I just wanted little curly cues on the end just to add more interest to it. Now your fingers may get a little sore doing all this twisting and turning, but it's so worth it. And then on the jute rope itself, I felt it needed a little bit more, so I added this other beautiful garland that I got from the dollar store. Now I can't recall if I got it from the Dollar Tree or the Dollarama, but it was definitely one of the dollar stores. And then you just start twisting it onto the jute rope itself. And you can hot glue this also. I didn't in this case because I want to be able to change it out over the years, so I just left it twisted on there at the ends and just kept winding it around. This is looking harder than it is, but it really wasn't, guys. It was so easy to come together. And here's the finished product. Thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for more. If you want to see more DIYs like this, hit the notification bell and you'll be up to date on any new videos that come out. So thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day.